Ever get headaches, maybe even migraines? A lot of people do. Joining us in the studio today, Dr. Stephen Landy. He's a neurologist with Baptist Medical Group, one of actually a few certified headache specialists for the Mid-South. Dr. Landy, thanks for joining us. First, let's start. How many people suffer from, let's talk about migraines?
More than you would think. It's probably 12% of the population, more or less, and that equates to about 30 to 40 million people in this country.
Talk about a migraine versus just a bad headache. What makes it a migraine?
Well, migraine is a bad headache, and obviously the most common type of bad headache. And what makes it different is typically a migraine is a unilateral throbbing headache associated with nausea and light and sound sensitivity, can last 4 to 72 hours. It may start mild, but it becomes pretty moderate or even severe, sometimes requiring an emergency room visit, and that's what we want to prevent.
It really puts people out of commission. Some people I know who suffer from migraines, I mean, they're done for the day.
They're done. They're done, and they're suffering in silence sometimes. And I think not only the humane component, which is extremely sad, but they can't go to work. They can't take care of their family. Their social life is destroyed as well.
What are the best treatments?
We have wonderful treatments to take at the beginning of a migraine. Some are FDA approved to take right at the beginning of the migraine pain that work really well, that address the abnormal pathology that causes the migraine. And then we also have simpler treatments that have been around for a while that we call nonspecific. Some are over the counter. They don't work as well. We have to be careful how patients take those, because over the counter is really not over the counter anymore. It's off the shelf. So it's too bad if they get on those drugs, aren't taking them right, or they don't work, when there are other more effective treatments available.
And we were talking about just general headaches earlier. I was asking Dr. Landy what's the best, what do you take, for instance, when you get a headache, aspirin as opposed to ibuprofen? Any suggestions?
Yeah, I like naproxen sodium. And the brand that most of us know is Aleve. It's got a little longer half-life, meaning it stays in the body a little longer, and it takes care of a lot of the inflammation if it's dosed right and obviously taken correctly. So I usually take 1 or 2 of those at the beginning of a headache. Now, my headaches are milder than most of the patients I see, and I'm sure a lot of your viewers have bad migraine where it does get severe. The ibuprofen, the naproxen sodium, the acetaminophen, or the Tylenol aren't going to be very effective for those types.
And that's when you maybe need to seek out a doctor. What's the best way to contact the headache clinic?
Well, we'd love patients to contact us at the Baptist Memphis Hospital, and I'm in one of the medical office buildings, and the phone number is 901-226-4910.
And we have it on the screen there.
Awesome.
The best piece of information is that there is help out there, right?
There's a lot of help out there, and Baptist has been extremely supportive. We even have other ways to treat patients besides prescription drugs that you would take orally. We've opened up an infusion area within our headache clinic where we can actually give patients IV treatment that they might not even receive in an emergency room.
All right, Dr. Stephen Landy, thanks so much for joining us. Contact Baptist if you have headache, specifically migraine issues.